Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NEXUS chain token. Ticker symbol is wNEXUS. Now this token is about to start their pre-sale in around half a day or so on PINKSALE.finance. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. We're going to go over the information on the NEXUS chain token and how you can get it in just one second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the NEXUS chain. So it says, a unique blend of decentralized and centralized crypto model with its own centralized exchange, blockchain, and DAO platform. So the DAO and centralized exchange are live. Chain mainnet, low taxes with reflection rewards, trending ads, banners, no private sale, quick updates on DEX tools, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko. Tier 1 and 2 call channels, Ask Me Anythings, KOLs, influencers on board, and audit, SAFU, and KYC. So you can find their audit here on PINKSALE. They were audited by Expele Audits, and you can view the PDF of that if you like. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to PINKSALE to verify who they are for security reasons. And they also have a SAFU badge on here by Professor's Class, and you can check that out as well. So all sorts of good information on here, all sorts of good social links, and security here with the audit and everything. So they have a Twitter at _the_NEXUS_chain, and I'm going to put that up right here so you guys can easily find that. They also have a Telegram at NEXUS_chain_official, and their official webpage is nexuschain.app. So this is going to be a public pre-sale. You won't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. There's 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 150 million tokens. So there is no hard cap for this pre-sale. Soft cap is 20 BNB. And basically the pre-sale is going to start August 11th, 14 hours UTC time, and go until August 14th, 17 hours UTC time. Now, if you missed the pre-sale, you're watching the video after the 14th, and you're not a subscriber. First of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the wNEXUS token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is nexuschain.app. Now, you may have to set slippage. It does say low taxes, so we'll have to see what the slippage is in a second here. We'll go over the tokenomics here in 1 second. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 400 days. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 30% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 17.1% of the tokens go to liquidity, 35% of the tokens go to bridging, 10% exchange listings, 5% staking, and 2.9% goes to the team. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, you can also find a white paper. It'll take you over to wp.nexuschain.app. So it says, the ultimate blockchain ecosystem. We leverage proof of stake technology for efficiency and sustainability. Our unique blend of decentralized and centralized finance offers seamless experiences through our centralized exchange and community-driven, decentralized, autonomous organization platform. Join us in shaping the future. So, revolutionizing finance with NEXUS Chain's innovative ecosystem. It's a community-driven financial future. So, NEXUS Chain is a forward-thinking blockchain ecosystem. We offer seamless fusion. Our platform includes cutting-edge central exchange and hassle-free asset trading, and community-driven DAO platform for collective decision-making. With sustainability, innovation, and user empowerment at its core, NEXUS Chain is poised to revolutionize the financial landscape. So, their vision is to be the global trailblazer in revolutionizing finance through blockchain technology. We envision a future where financial empowerment is accessible to all, driven by our secure, sustainable, and community-centric ecosystem. NEXUS Chain strives to foster financial sovereignty, innovation, inclusivity, shaping the world where individuals can fully participate in a decentralized and equitable financial landscape. So the NEXUS Chain is a revolutionary Layer 1 EVM solution that takes blockchain technology to new heights with unparalleled speed, scalability, and robust security. NEXUS Chain redefines the crypto landscape, enabling seamless transactions and empowering decentralized applications. Explore the future with NEXUS Chain. So there is a roadmap on here. So they're starting here with establish the NEXUS Chain wrapped token, which is the token available on PINKSALE here. That's why it's called wNEXUS. Next is foster engagement and participation through community events, discussions, and collaborations. Develop educational resources and materials to promote awareness and the understanding of the wNEXUS token, NEXUS Exchange, the DAO platform, the chain, and its benefits. Build and launch a user-friendly and intuitive interface of NEXUS DAO platform, NEXUS Chain Scanner, testnet, and centralized exchange. Beta release for NEXUS Exchange and DAO platform and testnet. Initial PINKSALE pre-sale, so that's where we're at right now. Continuously enhance the platform, integration, advanced features, scalability, security. Forge strategic partnerships. Expand the DAO ecosystem, interoperability with other blockchain networks. Explore token utilities and use case expansion. Drive widespread adoption, actively engage with regulators, policymakers, and industry stakeholders, showcase case studies, continuously innovate, and then roadmap 2.0. So token sale and distribution, we already went over that. It does have tax on here though. 5% buy tax, and that goes to marketing, and 10% sell tax, which goes to 5% reflections. So you do get reflections when somebody sells, and 5% marketing. So 5%, around 5% slippage on sells on Pancakes, or sorry, 5% slippage on buys on PancakeSwap, and around 10% slippage on sells on PancakeSwap. And that will be after the pre-sale. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about NEXUS Chain and the wNEXUS token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.